Shalom, all my brother and sister in Christ. Alright, I like to tell you the dream the Lord told me. Okay, this is very important. What happening with this fake plug or fake pestilence, man-made pestilence. You know I'm talking about with with letter C, and what happening right now. And they claim it's Omicron plague. Okay? So anyway, I would like to tell you that first, yeah. I have the argument with my supervisor at work. But thing is started. Alright? She the one who started, not me. The reason. There are kind of like somewhat mandatory people have to wear a face diaper. But, people, the other thing, people can say this thing, other than I'm talking about mask, face covering, the other word, okay? I'm telling you this, say, for this, instead of say mask, I'm telling you this, either on face diaper or face covering. This is talking about this. Sometimes I'm at work, I do not wear it all the time, most of the time. Or if I wear it under the chin or under the nose, because I reject it with all these things, because this thing all only man-made pestilence with, you know what I'm talking about, bioweapon for new world order. Okay, if you check my channel, I'm warning the people, and also my channel, not just in YouTube, the other one, BitChute and Patreon. Anyway, if you want to know the detail, just search that my channel. And I'm telling you, yeah, okay, because this start my argument, I don't want to wear it. And also because at that time, many other employees also do the same. Not everybody. I think most of the time they like become a simple, yeah. They do wear it with the right correct one, cover the nose, the mouth, everything. Probably around the one who wear it 60% at least, or maybe more, 75%. They're all simple. The rest, they not wear correctly, or I think, the one that wear it, okay, the 75%. But among that 75% only probably only 25% who wear it correctly. The other, most of the time under the nose, or not wear it all the time. So it's not my fault, okay? The rest, maybe the one who do not wear it, explain in detail. The 10-15% who do not wear it. So why she put the blame on me, this woman supervisor, and my job in the United States Postal Service? The reason she just put mood on me, I have the bad mood, or somebody who become irritated at me. He always wore it all the time correctly. He doesn't care is whether this Mac not breathing well, not enough oxygen. He just rebreathing CO2. He doesn't care. I explained you already. This thing can cause make damage our immune system too, even though longer process or longer time than that venom bite itself. All right, but still have an effect to the human being. You wear it all the time on a regular basis, cover up on the nose, and lacking of oxygen, rebreathing CO2, the dirty air, the one our body produce. The body needs O2, the reason to kill all the germ bacteria, including the mouth. Okay, it's not especially a lot of germ and bacteria, because from the food and the water we drink, and not just the water, any drink, especially any drink. Water is good for our health. Good water, not the one with the poison. the food and any beverage, the other beverage, that can cause collect a lot of germs in our mouth. If we cover up our mouth most of the time, hours by hours, more than 6 and 8 hours, something like that, because at work, or the rules maybe out, we go out, that can cause make damage the oral, can cause the oral disease, damage the teeth and the gum. Really, yeah. And also this thing can cause a lot of bacterial infection, especially to the lungs. Because this thing, even though people wash it, especially the one, the fabric one, still the fungus still grow there because the moisture from this thing, even though people wash it, or at least people we soak it with what you call it, it's kind of sanitizer, because our bad thing about sanitizer also contain cancer agent, cancer something, chemical stuff. They're not good too. But if we put that, not all the way, unless clean it in the specific laboratorium. That's what I heard. So, but body if have the strong immune system can correct it. But if too much, accumulate too much, and immune system become weak. The same thing if people take Penambite, that can make we become sick. All right. This thing also can cause the cancer, the face covering, and also, yeah, like I told you earlier, the infection disease and pulmonary disease. Oh yeah, happen. All right. So from this bad bacteria collected, come back to our body. Of course, our body have a lot of bacteria and viruses too. The good bacteria help for our body system, but the bad one need to get it off. So anyway, talking about this, yeah, that the incident between me and my supervisor. In fact, I have to walk upstairs to do something specific when I work at the U.S. Postal Service, but she doesn't care. Upstairs, in fact, not many people there. If there are people, very long distance, sorry, more than 6 feet apart, 6 feet apart. Is that according to this wicked government? If you want to follow their rule like that, so I don't need to wear mask for that distance. Why is she fussy about that? Anyway, she keep yelling at me, even though I already told her I put it on that mask. The reason my disposable, okay, talking about disposable mask also contain that specific chemical, ethylene oxide, what I heard, can cause the cancer too. And the other, sometimes nano particle worm could be in that mask. That can cause people sick, stuff like that. So we have to be careful. So when I have that, I wash it first, I sanitize first. But sanitize also, we don't know. Who knows? Because I have the cancer agent. But I do that anyway. I don't like to wear that too long. Breathing and rebreathing on that stuff. So, but anyway, I put on that. But my supervisor keep yelling at me, put blame on me. She think I don't do right. The reason I do not do right, because I don't like to wear it above my nose, but I do that anyway. And this disposable mask, I wear it several times already. Each time I wash it after I wear it, even though I don't wear it all the time. But the string already become scratched out. The string for the earlobes already loose. That's why not stay upright on the nose. So she keep yelling at me, put blame on me, and she said I have to talk with her on the office, but decided no. The reason I do not want to talk with her in the office, the thing is making worse. So I just decided I become upset too, but I do not think I want to hit her or anything. She accused me I want to hit her. Nothing happened. Nothing I did that. I do not do that. I do not have the act I want to hit her. She just plain lie and accuse me. So I tossed my my mess on the floor because I'm upset. So I left the place. And then now I'm still in the suspension time. There's still investigation. It doesn't matter whether I get the job or not. God's will be done. I don't care about this thing, this world. This world doesn't matter to me. More important, what's God's will? Spread this gospel, tell the people, warn the people, me as the end time watchman on the wall. That's all. More important, my job, my benefit, my job to God Himself, not the job in the early job, stuff like that. Even though I make very good money at the U.S. Postal Service, okay. Mostly job not make that kind of money, especially people don't need to go to the college. That like the college people's paying job. Anyway, but I'm still waiting for the result. This in connection with this, okay. Later on, God give me the dream because this is still investigation in my job. God give me the dream. At my job, and people want to keep the job, and U.S. Postal Service have to ask the help from union person. That's why I have to pay that fee every my paycheck. So in my dream, I met this union person, and about this incident in this case, in the dream said, she circle from 1 to 10, number 7. Okay. So what's all about with this case? Because I will discuss this case tomorrow at my job. That means number 7 is 70%. I'm right. Only 30% that supervisor right. Even though it's 70%, I have no idea why God said like that. But I know God not agree people wearing that stupid face covering, because this against God's will. Because stupid face covering also representing slaveness. We New World Order expecting we become the slave of New World Order, slave of Satan himself, if we still comply and bow down all the time. All right. So this the reason God have to give me the dream like that. So what's all about? 7 also is about God's perfection number. God's perfection number for His judgment. If you see, you remember that. We pay attention. According to the Bible, especially in the book of Revelation, the book of Apocalypse, 7 representing God's perfection number, everything, even our days, 7 days. The 7 days, in fact, in the Bible, on Monday, not on Sunday. The 7 days. Only because the church more commonly worship God the days on Sunday, because Jesus was resurrected a day before the first day. He was resurrected on the first day. Their 7th day, according to the Bible, on Saturday, on Sabbath. Their Sabbath, 7th day, on Saturday, from Friday evening to Saturday evening. But Jesus was resurrected the next day after the Sabbath. So on the first day, according to the Bible, their first day on Sunday, not on our first day, of course, on Monday. Okay. So anyway, so talking about that, I have the dream like that. She circle out from number 1 to 10, the 7. So meaning I will win the case. The supervisor wrong. She will not win the case. I might get the job back. It doesn't matter I get the job back or not. I get the back pay or not during my absence, because that according to God's will. If what I told you is correct, the dream, okay, the interpretation. Because also from 1 to 10 and the number 7 circle out. That's meaning I will win the case from 1 to 10. And I'm talking about that God's perfection number. The 7 is means For the 7 churches, 7 candles, 7 lights, 7 lampstands. In the Bible written, even in the Old Testament mentioned about 7 is with the Spirit of God, 7 Spirit of God. I do not describe you which one. I know in the book Isaiah what the name that spirit, because I do not prepare when I'm talking here. And the other 7 is about 7 years tribulation. A lot of people, some Christian, refuse to believe great tribulation. I mean, all the tribulation is 7 years. Yeah, it's correct. The great tribulation itself, the most very hard time, more severe judgment, 3.5 years. The first 3.5 years not as bad. That's altogether 7 years. Because the Antichrist in Daniel 9 will make the peace with a peace agreement, okay, then with Israel for 7 years, 1 week. 1 week equally 7 days. A day for God's judgment, talking about a year. If you pay attention to the Bible, it's mentioned in book number, something like that, if I'm not mistaken. That's a meaning 7 years. It's very clear. That the book Daniel, if you understand the Daniel 70 weeks of prophecy, and the 7 years of tribulation, number 7. Number 7 also representing a 7 seal. I think altogether 7 seals. I have to see again. In Revelation 6, 7 7. What the other thing in the Bible? 7 thunders, 7 angels, 7 trumpets. Therefore, it's a judgment in the book of Revelation. Alright? It's all with number 7s, 7 files. So, think about that. Yeah, my dream, that meaning dream. Okay? That in fact not my fault. She's the one keep yelling and screaming. I do not yell at her. I'm just telling her, just regular voice during that argument with my supervisor. I do not argue with her. She the one who keep coming and aggressive and come to me. It's not the reason I don't like to wear that stupid face diaper. The reason that not sit up on my face because the earlobe is kind of loose. So yeah, and I forgot to tell her at that time when that happened. I do not want to discuss more. Talk to her obvious because it will make things worse. If she become that emotion like that, right? I do not think about anything about to hit her, but she saw the other people. She thought like that. She just lied or misjudged me, or yeah, something like that. In fact, I'm talking about the United States Postal Service. It's very, very bad. They're also working with this wicked pharaohs, wicked government. The reason they work together, they do not want to. People send this, or this kind of medicine. I'm telling you, like ivermectin. Yeah, people who get cured from this kind of man-made plague disease, but post office do not want to deal with it. But they're okay. People want to order with their shipping, order that abortion pill. How come? This is very wicked. Post office work the same from government. And the other thing, post office no. With all this stuff, they're preparing their facilities, their buildings, their plans to the place for they will inject people with this venom bite or satanic sauce. They use that place, facilities, and as a concentration camp. In the future, when the time, a lot of people who reject it, who do not want to take it, they will use their facilities. They're talking about this United States Postal Service, how evil they are. Okay, right now they do not mandate their employers to take this venom bite as well, like the other federal employee. I think they have the tactic, they have the planning, the reason they do that. If many employees become injured or worse die because that venom bite, they know. A lot of people who work for this union, so they have more difficult time to start this stuff. Or a lot of people become sick like that. People will notice, how come my mail I do not get my mail. Okay, right now, but not all the time. It will, everybody, because New World Order will not back down for all this stuff. They will not back down. They will continue on. This is not never back to normal. So go back to that my dream again. Another my dream. At the same day I have that dream. After I have that dream, the one I told you earlier, I have the dream, yeah, about okay, I'm back to work. Okay, and in the dream I'm back to work. Okay, I decided to wear that face diaper. Kind of half comply. In fact, in the reality, I don't like to wear it. Kind of the same thing, but okay, I tolerate it, but not all the time I wear that stuff. It's because it's not good for our health. But not venom bite, definitely. If they are mandated to take that venom bite, I will definitely let them fire me so I can apply unemployment benefit, or the evidence that the reason I get fired because of that, to make evidence, to sue them, maybe along with the other employee who do not take it, to sue them. We'll see, I don't know. So I decided just let them fire him. If they force me to take this venom bite, that's my tactic. Right now, it's okay if I get my job back, even though I have to deal with this woman supervisor. Maybe I have to see what her reaction after that. It doesn't matter I have the job or not. In my case, it doesn't matter because I have enough income, the other saving. But if God provide me, I trust God. Whatever God want me, have that. Because beside my husband still have the job, his own job. So the thing is, fracture of the church will not belong anyway. So why I have to worry? I'm sure I have enough for the living even until the rapture day. Whether I work or not, waiting for the Christ coming, I don't think more later than 2024 and 2023. Sorry, by the end 2023, 2024, God already revealed that Christian. I know a few Christian that America already in the the 7 years tribulation, during that destruction in America, and the sign with total solar eclipse in America. Because that, I mentioned already in my other video, the 2 total solar eclipse. One already happened. I'm talking about the one across America, yeah. America only, United States of America, not including South America. The first one on August 21st, 2020. 27, not 2020, on the 27th, and almost 7 years later, coming up on April 8, 2024, or almost 7 years later, that will mark across America like big giant letter X, because the first one, the solar total eclipse, all across America make the sign like scratch out there, and the other, okay, from the other direction, the next one, so make letter X. That meaning no more America by then, 2024. So I don't think that, the rapture not happen yet. By then the rapture already happened that year. In 2024, you already starting that 7 years tribulation. I explained you already with biblical evidence, and next time I will tell you more connected with them. The Dome of the Rock was built in 688 AD, or the location where the first and the second temple was before. The Solomon Temple and Horeb Temple. And later on, Antichrist will build his own temple, the third temple or Tribulation Temple, in the same location. That's why I connect the dot with that with end times rapture and 7 years tribulation, according to the book of Daniel in 70 weeks of Daniel prophecy. So, the other thing, I'm talking about this face covering or face diver stuff like that, yeah. And the thing is, I had a dream. I put on that mask. Want to try to put correctly in that dream, because I have to back to work. I have to work wear that stuff. In that dream, when I put on, that mask dissolve on my face, is vanished, is gone. Okay, this is my own picture. This is me. It's gonna go away. What happened? How come happen like that? At first go away, went away, gone away, and then put on again. Still the same. That mask is vanished. No more mask there. Instead, and then I saw my nose become black, like scribbled up by a marker, just like on this picture. Oh, yeah, just like this month, this area, just like exactly like that picture, like that month. That black marker cover up my nose. Okay, why that happen? What does mean? That mean, all right, that dream, that mess if I were all the time like they want to, I mean hours and hours, days after days, and what else? Days after days, hours and hours. Okay, that can cause a lot of health problem, because we need oxygen to breathe, because they're testing, and the people, several testing, I saw the people in the video. After that, wearing, just I think they only wear a blue disposable mask. When they wore that, after several minutes, and they use detector, where something small tools, electronic tools, I don't know what the name, then put on under that mask to check how much the oxygen levels. That tools beeping loudly. The reason, okay, that tools beeping loudly. All right. The reason, because to tell this oxygen level is very, very low. Too much CO2 in the breathing, and definitely go to our lungs and to the body. It's not good. All right. We need oxygen to keep our immune system very strong, and the what is that? Keep our health good, perfect. There's a lot of diseases. If people's immune system very weak, or even though weaker, only 50%, 25%, make people not healthy, more prone or more vulnerable for all kind of diseases. This effect not just from wearing mask, that venom bite too. I'm telling you. That's my point. All right. And that dream tell like that. Before I have that dream, these two dreams, 3 days ago or 2 days ago, I do not think about that at all. What God revealed it to me. All right. God revealed it to me about that dreams. Was all about what happened in my workplace, and that this face diaper stuff. Okay. Scribble black marker on my nose, just like I showed you the picture earlier. That, okay, that's why God revealed it to me. Okay, this thing, you see, to show, to tell people, to mark the people. I mean, not to mark people, to warn the people. That thing not do any good. That thing is useless. The reason, I do not show you the picture here, yeah. Okay, I show you this name. What's all about this Michael Jackson. All right. I think I have some a picture. Maybe I do not prepare. Okay, sorry. It is about the other picture. I should show you. Yeah. Hold on. The other picture about that mess. Now I do not prepare it. Okay, what is me? The other, this one. All right, I do not talk, but you can see what's all about. That thing is useless. Alright? Dating is useless. It's very clear. I told you. That's why God gave me the dream. What's all about with that? God gave me the dream to warn me, to warn us through my dream. And what happened in my workplace. It's very clear. Alright? I hope you get my point about my dream. God revealed it to me.